Hi everyone, welcome to our Docker Compose collection. In this time, I'm going to show you how to Dockerize Nginx SSL with Let's Encrypt. Let's Encrypt is a free SSL Certificate Authority service provided by Internet Security Research Group. Okay, let's start to configure. For example, I will place Docker Compose file inside of directory /opt Nginx SSL. Create Docker Compose file. Okay, set version in 3.4. Service web, I'm using image Nginx Alpine version 1.40. Restart always and volume. I mount public HTML for document root. D for configuration. Nginx. The H param for SSL. Okay, and mount also the certbot and file configuration generated by Let's Encrypt. We can mount to container on Nginx. Okay, don't forget to forwarding port HTTP and HTTPS and service Let's Encrypt. I'm using image certbot. Latest version, and we can custom command insert only dash web root and web root path. Okay, and paste. Okay, and validation email and trio at dimstrio is just example. Okay, domain youtube.dimastrio.com. For volume, I'm on certbot directory /conf. It will be plus Let's Encrypt configuration. I am on also log Let's Encrypt. And save. Okay, Docker Compose file already done. And then we can create index.html inside document root /public HTML. Okay, and set paragraph. This is an example. Dockerize web server with SSL and Let's Encrypt. Okay, and save. And then we can create the param folder. And then generate the param with OpenSSL command. Okay, this talks need a few minutes. Okay, done. We need to create vhost default.conf to replace existing vhost in the container. Okay, in server block, we define port and server name youtube.dimasrio.com and document roots list public HTML. Okay, we need create location slash well known and HCMA challenge for the encrypt validation. Now we must run container first for validation because full chain and private key file will be generated after validation. Start container. Okay, successfully. We can check. Okay, okay. You can see exit 0. It's mean validation success without error. And then SSL file stored in directory certbot conf live. Okay, youtube.dimasrio.com. File already generated. Okay guys, and then we can add server block for SSL configuration. Okay, SSL on, server token off, and SSL certificate in etc Nginx SSL live youtube.dimasrio.com. You can use fullchain.pem and copy, change privk.pem. Okay, don't forget to add the param. Okay, SSL buffer, SSL protocol TLS version 1.2. Okay, location and index.html. Okay, everything is okay. Don't forget to create redirect from HTTP to SSL. Location slash return 301. youtube.dimasrio.com. Request Yuri. Okay, and save. Okay guys, we can mask down and rerun again. Okay, successfully. Okay, check with docker compose ps web. Container Nginx already running. Okay, and try to with browser youtube.dimasru.com. Okay, successfully SSL already running well. Okay guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. If you have a question, please comment and below. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.